Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use Vision Research's frame rate and record time calculator to estimate how long your Phantom camera can record at a given setup. Start on our website and open the frame rate and record time calculator. First, choose your camera model from the drop-down. We will choose the Phantom T3610 camera in this example. After you select a model, give it a moment. Valid options like fast option, sensor mode, and memory type will appear automatically. If your camera has fast option installed, be sure to select it. If you are not sure, select none. Next, pick the memory you'll record to. Choose RAM for in-camera memory or Cinemag if you're recording directly to removable media for longer durations at a reduced frame rate. Then select the available memory size for your configuration. Now enter your horizontal and vertical resolution. When you're set, click Calculate. Scroll down to view results. You'll see the achievable frame rate, total frames available, and the calculated record time. Record time is simply frames divided by frames per second. So if you capture 10,000 frames at 2,000 frames per second, your clip is 5 seconds long. To calculate record time at a lower frame rate, enter it in the optional text entry box provided. Some tips and notes. If a setting isn't available for a specific camera or mode, the menu won't allow that selection. Results are derived from camera data tables for high accuracy, but your actual record time can still vary with configuration and conditions. For exact specs, always refer to the product datasheet. That's it. Use the calculator to quickly confirm viable setups and plan your memory needs. And check out our other calculators for exposure and lens planning.